Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, we're here today, Sunday the 24th of September at the Premier Fives in Bolton. Alhamdulillah, the charity football tournament, annual charity football tournament is taking place, and this year the cause is a great cause. Alhamdulillah, our brothers and sisters have all got together. You can see the young children here. We've got over 60 teams taking part, 60 teams taking part in the football tournament, 400 footballers coming here to play. Over 400, this is just children. Inshallah, the local brothers and sisters from Bolton, from Blackburn, from Darwin will be coming as well. Now, are you guys looking forward to the tournament? Yes. I can't hear you. Yes. So inshallah, we're going to get together. We've got the registrations out of the way behind us here. The registrations are all done. Now, inshallah, we will go onto the pitch and we will let everybody know the rules and regulations of the tournament and how we'll go forward. Inshallah, it will be a very good day. Please make dua. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Alright, Jazakallah for coming. As you guys all know, it's the annual Khair tournament and we have different causes every year. Now this year is for the people of Rohingya. I'm not going to go into detail. Everybody knows what's happening. You watch news. Everybody is on social media. So every single penny that we make from this tournament, so your entry fees, the money that is made from the barbecue itself, every single penny is going to go to the people of Rohingya. So I applaud you all. And may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you all for coming, for putting your hands in your pockets and donating. This tournament is just an excuse. Our main purpose is charity. And we've said that year in, year out. Now, talking about charity, you guys need to understand that football tournament is a friendly football tournament. Yes, you will get a medal at the end, but that's just a token of our appreciation to you. Right?
Basically, don't argue, because we won't change our minds. Apart from that, more than anything, have fun and good luck.
Right. Once again, listen lads, don't forget, it's a charity football tournament. Please behave yourselves. And every single team, every team one by one, please can you come to me so we can do a recording for TV. Okay, Jazakallah. Assalamu So this is the final between World 7 versus ABCD FC for the year 11s group, five-a-side.
a goal.
Bolton United. So Bolton United versus SP Papi. Year 16 to 21 finals. Ref.
Thoroughly enjoyed the tournament, lads. Well run. Took a bit longer than expected, but we're here now. Both teams enjoy the final and best of luck.
Thank you very much. Come on, lads, give us a cheer. Come on, hey. This is the year 11 finals, year 11s, right? Which is World 7 versus ABCD FC. Forget the E. ABCD FC versus World 7. Year 11's final, 5-a-side. Give us a cheer, lads.
Orange bib win. Orange bib win. Orange bib win.
They thought he wasn't going to do Darwin football. They thought they actually played legit football, so they played Darwin football. Until when they saw it, straight 2 goals.
Now this is the final taking place between Bolton Beast versus Amman Army. Bolton Beast versus Amman Army. This is the final taking place. This is the first penalty for Amman Army against Bolton United. Oh, and it's a save! It's a save! It's still Bolton Beast. Oh, and it's a save! It's still a save. Still 0-0. Now this is Sahil. And it's a miss. It's still 0-0. We're still in deadlock at the moment. Now this is Azhar for Bolton Beast coming up against Subhan. Oh, it's a goal! And it's 1-0 to Bolton Beast as we speak. Bolton Beast at 1-0 as we speak. Steps up and he scores. It's 1-1. And it's 2-1 to Bolton Beast. And they've scored. Bolton Beast have won the tournament. Unlucky. But don't worry. Well done, lads. We have Kuwait from Preston, Kuwait Islam from Preston versus Compton 1 from Bolton. So this is Preston versus Bolton final, year 5, year 6 final. This is Compton 1 versus Kuwait from Preston. MashaAllah. Give a big cheer, lads.
Kuwait Islam from Preston, yeah?
This is the year 5, year 6 final taking place between Compton 1 versus Kuwait from Preston. Compton 1 from Bolton, Kuwait from Preston. Najib versus This is Nazib taking a penalty. And it's a goal. It's 1-0. 1-0 to MGFC. And it's the extra. Oh, it's 1-all. 1-all. One penalty each and it's 1-all. MGFC 1. And the cube 1. 2-1 to MGFC now. It's 2-1 to MGFC. MGFC. Oh, it's 2-all. Yes, come on. It's 2-all. These are the last penalties. Then it's going to go to sudden death. Ooh. MGFC, you have to score. You have to score. All right, it's 3-all. Lads, sudden death now. It's sudden death. Sudden death. One penalty each. One penalty each. Sudden death. Go on. Oi, where I am. That's it. Just stand there. Listen, oi, Mukide, oi. It's still sudden death. It's still. Still sudden death.
Come on, lad.
Out too late. Right, so it's MGFC versus the Cube, over 21 final, 7-a-side. Give us a cheer. Come on, lads. As you can see behind me over here, the over 21s 7-a-side matches ongoing. Alhamdulillah, tournaments are ongoing now. We expected 60 teams. There's over 65 teams. Let me just clarify that. 65 teams have entered. 65 teams have entered this tournament, mashallah. Alhamdulillah, this has to be one of the biggest turnouts we've had every year. Alhamdulillah, we've been doing it for quite a few years now, and the cause is tremendous. It's for the Rohingyan people, our brothers and sisters in Rohingya who have been persecuted. They've been drawn out. We've got refugees in Bangladesh, in Pakistan, in India, and of course our brothers and sisters in Rohingya itself. So as you can see now, the tournament has started. We've got five 5-a-side pitches and 1 7-a-side pitches. We've got year 7 and 8s. We've got year 5 and 6. We've got year 9s, year 10s, year 11s. Then there's a 16 to 20 group, and there's 21 plus, in which over 18s can play. So as you can see, there's a lot of people here. You've got our brothers and sisters here, families, they're coming. Now, you know, there's a lot of things going on here. There's a barbecue here, there's chicken, there's burgers, there's fries, then you've got your drinks, chocolates, sweets. Every single penny that we make here goes straight to charity. It doesn't go into anybody's pockets, it doesn't go into expense, it goes straight to charity. It's for the Rohingyan purpose. I have with me here the manager of the Lucas 8 Power League here in Bolton, Brother Junaid. Now, Junaid here, he's helped us last year as well as this year. He's new to our town. He's actually from Prestwich, which I've just heard. He's from Prestwich. But Junaid, give your views about the tournament. You were here last year as well.
Yeah. No, it's a fantastic tournament. It's very well run by Imran and Aslam. we like to host it here. Very, very friendly teams. And it's always a great cause. There's always a barbecue on. It's a nice, friendly environment. So it's a very nice setup, and it's a great cause as well. So yeah, definitely 9th of December we're holding a junior tournament. So that should be for under 7s, under 8s, and under 9s. So if you've got any kids that already play in junior teams, more than happy to get them to take part in our junior tournaments. Absolutely. Yeah, we had the Eid Cup for small Eid around July time. We had about 13, 14 teams entering, and Bolton Juniors won that tournament. It was a fantastic setup. Really good standard of football, and yeah, long may it continue.
This is the Year 9 finals between Bolton City versus All Stars. Year 9 finals, 5-a-side, Bolton City versus All Stars. Give us a cheers, lads. This is the Year 9 final taking place between All Stars and Bolton City. All Stars and Bolton City. It's a goal! And this is Quwwatul Islam in net versus Bolton United shooting. Ooh. And Quwwatul Islam from Preston have got to the finals. That's what I'm saying. We could see over here we have the Year 7 and 8 finalists. Bolton Beast versus Aman Army. Bolton Beast, give a cheer. Aman Army, give a cheer. And the coach has Aman Army versus Bolton Beast. They have just won on penalties. They won the semi-finals, so they're now going through to the finals, and they will be facing Crompton 1, a team from Bolton. So it's going to be Crompton 1 versus Quwwat from Preston. So the final for the Year 5 and Year 6 group is Quwwat Islam from Preston versus Crompton 1 in Bolton. This is the Year 10 final. Year 10 final 5-a-side. It's GLFC versus Rejects FC. Rejects FC versus GLFC. Year 10 final. Come on, give us a cheer, lads. Yeah, come on. Good penalty. Alright, take it. Nah, the keeper have to take it. Keeper have to take it. Don't spot there. Lads, oi, shake hands. Oi, lads, come on, lads, shake hands, come on. No, oi. Lad, shake hands, man. Come on, shake hands. Oi, brother, oi.
Congratulations, well done. Congratulations, well done, mate. Well played, thank you. Congratulations, mate. Congratulations. Congratulations. Captain, congratulations. Just hang on. And
come on here, lads. And this is the All-Stars FC winners of the Year 9 group. Congratulations. 1, 2, 3. Come on.
well played, mate. Well done, mate.
What are you doing?
Well done, mate. Well done, keeper. Well done,
Can we call our manager?
Of course you can. Right, well done, lads. Bolton United winners of the 16 to 21 tournament. Winners of 021.
Well done. Well, you did. You deserved it as well. Well played. Well done. Congratulations. There you go. Well done, big fella.
Thank you, mate.
Well done, mate. Congratulations. Yeah, well, you calmed you down, didn't it? It worked. Well done, mate. Nice one, yeah.
Oh, 1 second. There we go.
Come to me first. The winning deciding penalty, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You've given 2 medals,
Put
man.
his eyes in it and hope for the best.
There we go.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Here's the trophy. The winning team of the over 21s, the Cube. The Cube, everybody. Come on. Go do what you need to do, lads. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh, a minute.
Hey, don't forget, I'll be in for my... Congratulations, mate. Well
Congratulations, lads.
played. Congratulations, mate. Well played. Proper top. Congratulations. Well played. Well played, mate. Well played, mate. Congratulations. Well done.
Come on, move up. Carry on. Look, listen.
Where's the little fella with the trophy?
Here, he's here.
He's here.
That's the captain.
Get in the middle.
Alright, and that's the trophy.
Congratulations. Well done.
This is ABCDFC, the winners of the Year 11 group. Well done, lads.
Congratulations, mate. Well done. I thought you were the captain.
They demoted me.
Oh, they demoted you. Well played, mate.
How many? I thought you had your 6 players.
I was just fun.
Okay.
Well, there
Here.
you're the captain. There you go.
Shake down.
The mascot.
Yeah. Hold the trophy. Then you can have the trophy. Right. And what the team called again? GLFC, winners of the Year 10 tournament. 1, 2, 3. Come on. There you go. You give it to us.
Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Congratulations.
One more.
Well done. You captain.
1 second.
Just
That's it.
well done, mate.
Ahmed, well done. Right, captain, you take. Lads, come forward.
Come forward, lads.
Stand in a row.
That's discipline,
One.
lads.
What's your team called again? Crompton FC. Right, Crompton FC have just won the Year 5 and Year 6 category tournament 5-a-side. Captain is now receiving the trophy from our referee.
Congratulations. Well done.
Champions! Champions! Ole, ole, ole!
Well done. Congratulations.
Well done, lads.
Well done. Come on. Oh, no, sorry. Come on, lads. Keep them coming. Well done. Congratulations. There you go.
What's up? I did a
Congratulations. Who's next?
And who have won the year 7s and 8s category? This is Bolton Beast year 7s and 8s. This is Bolton Beast year 7s and 8s who have won the year 7s and 8s finalists. They are the winners of this year's tournament. Congratulations. Come on, captain. Hip hip. Well done, everybody. Go on, just take a photo with the trophy up. So.